Welcome to a SharePoint feature video, and today we're going to be looking at styling a SharePoint header, customizing its look and feel. Go ahead and find the SharePoint site you want to customize. Select the cogwheel, select Change Look. Select Header, and on layout options you can choose between standard and compact. You can also select a logo for the header. You can also select the color that you want the header to have. Your header color is directly impacted by the theme that you select. Here's an example. And when you're happy with the changes, click Save. And that is how you make changes to your header. Hopefully you've enjoyed our video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next series. For more information, go on HappyWired.com to find out more. Thank you and goodbye.